With a 20-hour playback time, here are the pros and cons of the Zoook Bluetooth Jazz Claws headset. Hi guys, welcome to Complete Tech Review, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Zoook Blue ZB Jazz Claws Bluetooth headset with mic. The packing is really good, and on the box we have few indications that this can be used in the gym and outdoors. The other specifications include that it has a long battery life, it has a flexible and a lightweight neck band with magnets, and it is Bluetooth 4.0. As soon as you open the box, you have the headset itself, and it also has a user manual, a warranty card which is more like a credit card, a USB charging cable, and an extra pair of earbuds based on the size. A couple of standout features of the neck band is that it has a magnetic strip at the end, and the quality of the neck band is really good. The other features include that it has a speaker diameter size which is 10 mm, and the wireless distance is around 10 meters. The standby time is claimed as 150 hours, whereas the playback time is 20 hours. It comes with a battery of 220 mAh. The charging time is close to 3.5 hours, and it has a mic to receive and end calls. So coming to the pros, it comes with a very long battery life which is 20 hours and which is really good. It has noise cancellation and the mic quality is really good. It has a snug fit in the ear and it is really comfortable. And coming to the con, I feel that the magnetic power of the neck band could have been better, and also the volume and the next button are multifunctional, so one have to read the manual to understand that the button is the same for both the actions. However, considering the price of around 1100 rupees, this is a pretty good Bluetooth headset for your money. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. Bye bye.